How to fix Telegram too many attempts, please try again later. If you want to fix Telegram's too many attempts, please try again later whenever you're trying to log in on Telegram. First of all, we must understand why this happens. Telegram employs this security measure to prevent unauthorized access and abuse. If someone is trying to guess your password or access your account, they'll eventually be blocked by this system. It also helps prevent spam or malicious activity. And what is the way to fix it? Well, the way to fix this error is usually to just wait. If you're wondering how long you have to wait, you must typically wait between 24 to 48 hours because Telegram has a temporary lock on your account after too many login attempts. Maybe someone was trying to log in, or maybe you yourself entered an incorrect code too many times because you were not getting the code. So the best case scenario is to wait 1 or 2 days and then try to log in again, and that should help you solve the problem most likely. I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.